Students, you are all already familiar with the factorization of a quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c. You had factorized it by splitting the middle term of the polynomial in your earlier classes. Now in this class, our topic is factorization of polynomials. And the first question is, factorize x square plus 5x plus 6 by splitting middle term. What do you mean by splitting middle term? Yes, we have to split the middle term of the polynomial, that is 5x. To solve the problem, I have to explain several things here. X square plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial or trinomial in variable x, and it is x square plus 5x plus 6, or it is in the form or standard form of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6, and they are the constants of a polynomial or coefficients of the polynomial. Now in this problem or in this case, the first step is we have to find the first term and the last term. By considering example or problem x square plus 5x plus 6, in this problem first term is ax square and the last term is 6. So ax square or x square is the first term and 6 is called last term. Second step, find the product of the first and last. What is the product of first and last? What is the first term of the polynomial? X square. What is the last term? 6. So product of first and last is 6 into x square, 6x square. Second, product of the first and last term. Next, list out the possible factors of 6. What are the possible factors of 6? You know that we can write 6 as 6x into 1x is equal to 6x square, right? Or minus 6 into minus 1 is also plus 6, because minus into minus plus. Or minus 2 into minus 3 is also 6, minus into minus plus, 2 into 3 is 6, and the last pair plus 2 into plus 3 is also 6. So these are all the possible factors of product 6x square. And let the first terms or first factors as p and the second as q. So for the first pair, p is equal to 6x, q is equal to 1x. Therefore, these are all the possible factors of p and these are all the possible factors of q. Next, look at the problem x square plus 5x plus 6. What is the question? We have to split the middle term of the polynomial middle term of the polynomial is 5x. 5x. We have to split 5x as two terms by using one of the pair from the list of the possible factors of 6x square. We have to select best pair from the list which gives the product 6x square, and at the same time sum is 5x. Yes, check one by one in the list. So select first 6x into x, or 6 into 1 is equal to 6. But what about 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Will not give sum 5. Here we have 5 only. So check for second. Minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 6 plus 6. What about the sum minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7? Minus 7 is not equal to sum 5. So second is also rejected. Check for the third pair. Minus 2 minus 3 is always plus 6. It will give the product 6x square. What about the sum? Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. What about the question? We have plus 5. So the third pair is also rejected. Check for the last pair in the possible factors of 6x square, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and at the same time 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. Once again, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. At the same time, it gives the sum plus 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, this is the best selection in this list, or possible values of the possible factors of the 6x square. Select the last pair and let it be P and 3 as Q. So P into Q, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. P plus Q, that's the sum of the factors, is equal to 2, P is equal to 2, plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, the P into Q is equal to 6 and P plus Q is equal to 5. Now again, consider the question x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to split the middle term, that is 5x, as two factors or two terms by the list of the polynomial, list of the possible factors. We selected the possible or the best pair of the factor of the 6 is are 2 and 3. X square as it is, plus split 5x as 2x and 3x. 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x. 2x into 3x is equal to 6x square. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x plus 6. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms. Grouping the terms, x square plus 2x is the first group. 3x plus 6 is the second group. Next, in the first group or in the first set, x square plus 2x are the terms. What is the common term in this set? Yes, x is the common term. Take out x square and x is the common, take out, and x remain, x into x square, plus here x is already take out, or we written outside the bracket. What is remain here? 2. Once again, x into x square, x into 2, 2x. Next, second, here plus, what is the common term in this set? Common is 3, so take out 3 as the common term, x remain, 3 into x, 3x. Here 6 by 3 is equal to 2, or 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 6 by 3 equal to 2. Look at the second step. Here x plus 2 is common. Take the common x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 we written here as a common term. What remain? X is the remain term. What is the common here? We write x plus 2. What is remain? 3. Therefore, x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6, and we split 5x as a 2 terms. It means that x plus 2, we divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2. We get x plus 3 as a quotient by leaving remainder 0. Second, if we divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 3, we get x plus 2 as a quotient by leaving remainder 0. This method is called factorization of a polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c by splitting a middle term. Second problem, x square minus 6x plus 9. Ax square plus bx plus c, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, and what is the middle term? Minus 6x. Similar problem, we have to split the middle term minus 6x to get the factors. What is the first step? The first step is multiply the first term and third term of the polynomial. What is the first term? X square or 1x square. What is the third term? 9. So what is the product? X square into 9, 9x square. What is the second step? List out the possible factors of 9x square. Yes, write the possible factors. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Minus 9 into minus 1 is also 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and minus 3 into minus 3 is also equal to 9. This is the second step. What is the third step? We have to split the middle term of the polynomial, that is minus 6x, by using the best pair of the factors from the list. Okay, check for first set. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. But what about 9 plus 1? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Here we have minus 6. Check for 2. So first set is rejected. Second set, minus 9 into minus 1 is equal to plus 9. What about minus 9 minus 1? Sum of minus 9 minus 1 is equal to minus 10. Here we have minus 6. So second set is also rejected. Check for 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So product is 9. What about the sum? 3 plus 3 is equal to plus 6. But here we have minus 6, negative 6. So this pair is also rejected. So check for the last pair. Minus 3 into minus 3, the product is plus 9. What about the sum? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. What is the answer? Sum of minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So the last pair is the best selection. Now we know that these are all the possible factors of P and these are all the possible factors of Q. We need a best selection. So P into Q is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to plus 9, and sum of the values P plus Q, that is minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Next, x square, we have to split minus 6x as two values. So our values is minus 3x and minus 3x, minus 3x and minus 3x, because variable is x. Here 9. Grouping the terms is the fourth step. And next, what is the common? X is the common. Take x as a common term out and divide x square by x, we get x, or in other words, x into x is equal to x square. Here minus 3x, in 3x, x is common, so remain 3 only. Next, minus, here minus, what is the common term? 3 is common. Take out 3 as a common term. What remain here? X minus 3 into x is equal to minus 3x. Next, here we have plus into minus, or it means that we divide plus 9 by minus 3, we get minus 3. Minus into minus plus, 3 into 3, 9. Yes. Next step. Here minus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 3, again common. Take out x minus 3 as a common term. What remain here? X. Here x minus 3 is common, minus 3. So x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9. In other words, we divide x square minus 6x plus 9 by x minus 3. We get x minus 3 as a quotient by leaving remainder 0. This is the second problem. Next problem. Factorize x square plus 4x minus 21 by splitting middle term. Similar problem. What is the first step? Find the product of first term and last term. Here we have the first term is x square and last term is minus 21. We have to consider minus also here. X square and minus 21. What is the product? Minus 21 into x square minus 21 x square. What is the second step? List out the possible factors of the product minus 21 x square. 1 into 21 is 21. Minus 1 into minus 21 is also 21. 7 into 3 is also 21. Minus 7 into minus 3 is also 21. What is the third step? Look at the problem. We have to split plus 4x as two terms by the list of the possible factors of 21 minus 21 x square. Yes, check for the first set. 1 into 21 is equal to 21. Here we have minus 21, rejected. Next, minus 1 into minus 21 plus 21. Here we have minus 21, so it's not necessary. 7 into 3 is also 21. Here we have minus 21. Minus 7 into minus 3 is also 21. It's also rejected. What to do now? So we change for minus 21 x square. Yes, we have minus 7 and plus 3 minus 21. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Yes, we have minus 21 x square. 7 into minus 3 is also minus 21. Here we have minus 21. Select minus 7 into 3 is equal to minus 21. Here we have minus 21 x square. What about the sum? Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. But here we have plus 4. So this is also rejected. Check for the last. 7 into minus 3 is equal to minus 21. 7 into minus 3 equal to minus 21 x square. And what about the sum? 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. Here plus 4. So select the last pair and let it be P and Q. What is the value of P? 7. And what is the value of Q? Minus 3. And what is the value? Minus 21. Minus 21. Next, P plus Q, sum of two values. Same, 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. These are the values of P and Q. X square split plus 4x as two values from the list 7x minus 3x and minus 21. Plus 7 minus 3 plus 7x into minus 3x is equal to minus 21 x square. At the same time, it gives plus 4 as the sum. Plus 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. What is the next step? Grouping the terms. Next step, take the common term x. X is the common. What remain here? X. We divide x square by x. Here x is the value, or x into x is equal to x square. Plus 7x by x is equal to 7x, or x into 7 is equal to 7x. What is the sign here? Minus. What is the common term in these two terms? 3 is the common. Take out 3. We divide minus 3x by minus 3. X is remain, or minus 3 into x is equal to minus 3x. Next, we divide minus 21 by minus 3. What is the answer? Plus 7. or minus 3 into plus 7 is equal to minus 21, because minus into plus minus. Next step, in this x plus 7 and x plus 7, again common, take out the common x plus 7, x is remain, and here minus 3, because x plus 7 is the common. So x plus 7 and x minus 3 are the factors of x square plus 4x minus 21. Next problem, factorize 3x square minus 7x minus 6 by splitting middle term. What is the first step? Find the product of first and last term of the polynomial. Here first term is 3x square and the last term is minus 6. What is the product of 3x square and minus 6? Minus 18x square. Minus 18x square. We need to find possible factors of minus 18x square. Minus 1 into 18 is equal to minus 18. 18 into minus 1 is also minus 18. By 3 into minus 6, minus 18, or minus 3 into 6 is also minus 18. What next? Is there any other factors which gives the product minus 18x square? Yes, we have. Minus 2 into 9 is equal to minus 18, and 9 into minus 2 is also minus 18. These are all the possible factors of minus 18x square. What is the next step? Best selection of the factors to split the middle term minus 7x. Yes, check for first. Minus 1 into 18 minus 18, minus 1 plus 18 is equal to 17. So first is rejected. What about second? Product is minus 18 always. What about the sum? 18 minus 1 is equal to plus 17. It's not possible to get the value. Minus 7 from this set. What about third values? 3 into minus 6 is equal to minus 18. And what is the sum? 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So it's also rejected. Minus 3 into 6 minus 18. What about the sum? Minus 3 plus 6 is equal to plus 3. We need minus 7. So fourth pair is also rejected. Next, what about 9 into minus 2? 9 into minus 2 is equal to minus 18. What about the sum? 9 minus 2 is equal to plus 7. We need minus 7. So this is also rejected. Check for the last set. 2 into minus 9 is equal to minus 18. What about the sum? Plus 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to minus 9. Let it be Q, P and Q. P is equal to 2 into Q is equal to minus 9, that is minus 18, and P plus Q is equal to 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. X square, we have to split minus 7x. Let the values minus 9x plus 2x minus 9x into plus 2x is equal to minus 18x square. Sum of minus 9 plus 2 is equal to minus 7. Minus 6 is the last term. Next step is grouping the terms and take out the common term in this set, that is 3 and 9. 3 is common. Here x square, x is common. We divide 3x square by 3x, we get x, or 3x into x, 3x square. Minus, we divide 9x by 3x, 3. Or 3x into minus 3 is equal to minus 9x. Next, 2x and minus 6. What is the common term? Here plus 2 is common and x is remain, or plus 2 into x is equal to plus 2x. We divide minus 6 by plus 2. Minus 3 is the answer. Or plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Again, in this step, x minus 3 is common. Take out x minus 3 as a common term, and what remain here? 3x plus 2. Therefore, x minus 3 into 3x plus 2, or x minus 3 and 3x plus 2 are the two factors of 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Okay, thank you.